Here, since you have done hands-on recruiting, now you're handling a business. So now the question is, how would you see the recruiting trend, and how would you see the pharma recruiting and compared to the IT recruiting, Ranjit?
Yeah. So the first point I would take about the pharma and IT. Okay. See, IT recruiting is huge, is big. Okay. Doesn't matter whatever the industry, they need IT people. So it's not like you have one place. But if you take it as a pharma recruiting is totally different. Okay. So, but it's a niche. Uh, when actually the people mostly focus this pharma thing recently with this COVID, there's so much demand on nurse and there's pharma related positions, and they were short of people, and so that time people realized that this is the another industry we can really work on it and help to companies to find a talent. So if you know how it works, the pharma industry, and definitely I would recommend anybody to start with it. It's a very good one. But I would not say IT is not good. IT is it has its own place, and there is always an opportunity. Doesn't matter how big competition is, you always have an opportunity. Everybody need an IT guy in their company, even if you compare to small company to big company. So everybody need a talent. Okay, that's a one thing. And about the recruiting trends, yes, of course, before COVID and after COVID, you see the difference. There are so much difference, and completely the remote now. Everybody got their comfort just sitting at home and working, and without going out. So that trend is changing, but many people want asking still on site, because of you could say if you don't go on site, many business going to be out of business, because business depends on businesses. If you don't to go to work, that's it. All the big cities, all metropolitans, they will not have any other local businesses. Everything has to be shut down. So eventually it will go back, but the industry is really going to change it. The trend is going to change it. It's not 100%. There will be hybrid side. And if you compare to India, especially I would say this new trend, new remoting trend is going to help more women power. So women people, they can really work from anywhere, and they can sit at home. It's a safety. They don't need to go out. They can take care of their family, even though they put 6 or 8 hours, doesn't matter. But that is also really help for the staffing companies. They can hire and use this, all women, talent. So I hope I answered your question.